Hello and welcome to Everyday English Stories, and I'm so happy you're here today. I know learning English can feel difficult sometimes, but don't worry, this channel is here to help you. We use simple stories, clear vocabulary, and friendly explanations, so you can improve your English step by step. Today's story is called My Daily Routine. Let's listen together and then learn some useful words and phrases. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every morning I wake up at 6:30. The sun is rising and the sky looks soft and pink. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. My bedroom is quiet and peaceful. I get out of bed slowly and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh and clean. Then I brush my teeth carefully. My toothbrush is blue and my toothpaste smells minty. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of warm tea and toast some bread. The bread is golden and crunchy. I spread butter on it and take a bite. Delicious. I sit by the window and eat my breakfast. Outside, I see birds flying and trees moving gently in the wind. It's a calm and beautiful morning. At 8 o'clock, I start work. I open my laptop and check my emails. I write messages, plan lessons, and create videos for English learners. I feel focused and excited to help people learn. Around noon, I take a short break. I eat lunch, usually rice, vegetables, and chicken. The food is tasty and colorful. I drink water and relax for a few minutes. In the afternoon, I continue working. Sometimes I record my voice or edit videos. Sometimes I read books or learn new things. I enjoy being creative and productive. At 6 p.m., I finish work and go for a walk. The air is cool and the sky turns orange. I walk slowly and listen to music. It helps me feel calm and happy. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch a movie. I like funny movies and quiet stories. Then I take a shower and get ready for bed. At 10 p.m., I lie down and close my eyes. I feel tired, but peaceful. I think about my day and smile. Good night. Let's review some useful words from the story. Wake up, to open your eyes in the morning. Stretch, to move your body after sleeping. Brush, to clean your teeth or hair. Crunchy, hard, and makes a sound when you eat it. Peaceful, calm, and quiet. Focus, thinking clearly and working well. Creative, making new ideas or things. Tasty, delicious, good flavor. Relax, to rest and feel calm. Lie down, to rest your body on a bed or sofa. Thank you for watching Everyday English Stories. I hope this video helped you learn new words and feel more confident. Remember, learning English takes time, but you're doing great. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep going. If you liked this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.